Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be covering the elusive creative rut. Now, whether you are a business owner or you are a social media manager, creative ruts happen. Whether you lose all your inspiration for what to post on social media or you're just staring at your social calendar blankly with no idea what to post, I'm here to help you. I'm going to be providing you with 10 sources of inspiration that I use whenever I am feeling a creative rut coming on. Now pull out a paper and pen, because by the end of this video you'll have 10 tricks up your sleeve that you can go to whenever you feel a creative rut coming on, just to stop it in its tracks. As always, for the best marketing and content creation tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you are notified every time I release a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. Now, I have helped dozens and dozens of business owners with their social media marketing and their content planning, and let me tell you, feeling creatively drawn or creatively low is totally normal. You can't keep up producing high quality ideas forever. You're gonna hit a rut sooner or later, and I want to provide you with sources that you can go to when you feel this rut coming on so that you don't struggle through it. You can get inspired again and get right back on top of your social media planning. Even as a creative myself, I get in these ruts, and let me tell you, we know how important highly engaging and high quality content is compared to working through this creative rut and ignoring it and creating mediocre ideas. There is plenty of things you can do to make sure you get back on track with creating high quality, highly engaging content, because at the end of the day, if you're just moving forward with these mediocre ideas, you're just going to waste your time and you're not going to get the reach you want with your social posts, and you're not going to bring the value that you need to bring to your social platforms. Now, when I feel a creative rut coming on for my clients, what I do before I look at any other sources is I just review high performing posts from the past. So I'll go through our Instagram, I'll go through our Facebook, I'll see what posts did well, what posts got a lot of saves, what posts got a lot of comments. And then I can use those topics to create future posts that we can then implement. This is a quick little trick that you can try out. You don't even have to go to any other websites. All you have to do is just review your past content and see what was performing well. Now, when my own social posts aren't enough and I'm still struggling to find ideas, this is when I turn to Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I've been using Pinterest for years. It's a really great place to go to find inspiration for future social media posts. Now, before I get into my other points, I want to know, where do you go when you are feeling creatively low or you're struggling for social media post ideas? Leave your top places for inspiration in the comment section below. I'd love to know, and I'm sure you'll help out other business owners along the way. Now, if I'm still feeling in that creative rut, even after reviewing my high performing posts as well as scrolling through Pinterest, this is when I turn to industry competitors. By reviewing industry competitors who are already on top of their game, you can see what posts work well for them. And I'm not saying you copy their posts. You should never ever copy their posts, but take inspiration from the topics they're highlighting, the types of content they're producing, and then implement that into your content strategy. Now, my final source for inspiration when I'm feeling creatively low is nature. Whenever I've just had it and it's like I've had enough of it, I can't even think of any good ideas anymore, I shut my laptop and I take my dog for a walk. Just being away from the computer for half an hour to an hour and getting that fresh air and that vitamin D can give you that fresh perspective that you need. You'll come back to your computer, it'll feel like a new day, you're not in that stagnant mind frame anymore, and you can come at it with a clear mind. Okay, so now you know where to find further inspiration sources when you're creating your online content. If you are still struggling to find content, Check out this video here, which highlights a strategy that I use where you can create 7 forms of content from just one product or service. It's a really good strategy to have in your backpack when you are going forward with creating your social media campaigns and your social media calendars. Hope you found value from this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you like this kind of content, and don't hesitate to share it with other team members who might also find value from it as well. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next video.